Tayo'y aalis today, guys. Tayo ay mag-grocery ulit. Dahil today is grocery day. Sunday. May pasok na kasi semester sa mga susunod ulit na araw. So, ngayon ay 1 degree. Kaya, tayo magdodoble-doble ng cardigan. Parang jacket. Ang lamig naman itong magnet na to. Ang ating baby ay ready na. Hello, nakatingin sa akin. So, tayo magbubots ulit, guys. Dahil malamig. 1 degree. Ito'y tinatawanan na naman ni Mister. Let's go na. Patong-patong ang jeans. Yeah. Pants pala, pants. Told you, it's cold. It's 1 degree. That's why I'll have 2 pants.
You need your boots.
Yeah, I'm wearing boots. She is ready. She need blanket also. Told you, it's cold. Ang lamig, sobra. We're going. Hello, little one. Her eyes is dark gray. Pat says that her eyes look like dark gray. Show your eyes. Huh?
Stop. Get ready. Go.
Happy there? Happy there? Let's try this. No, won't fit. You're looking on the camera. Go and get grapes. I'll go in the plants. Ganda ng ibang orchids. 12 pound. So this is their spider plant. We're gonna get one. This is what I want. Indoor spider. This is the spider. Do you think it's stable enough? It won't die. Oh, it's gonna be squeezed. Put it there.
No, it's better there. It won't get squashed.
You sure? You think they are fresh or the fresh one is inside?
It'll have a date on it.
Get some garlic, mister. I'll go and get some garlic. And garlic. 78 all of it.
Yeah.
Hello. Kuha tayo ng beans, guys. Dito na lang tayo mag-grocery. Get some corn. Gusto kong kumuha nito. you have to get another cart if you're gonna get beer. Oh, they have San Miguel, oh. But different one.
I've deliberately not bought any.
Is it the taste same?
No.
No?
It's not my... It's not...
Kuha pa tayo nito, guys, isa. So, ito ay 150 lang. Ganyang tray. For her, when she's eating. When she started eating solid.
Yeah, there's this one.
You sleepy or you sleepy or you...
Depends on what you want. You know what I mean?
I think I want the cheaper. I can make smoothies as well. But I want bigger blender. You better get blender because I have this in the Philippines. The blender I crush. Yeah. Mahal? Expensive? This is cheaper. Kleenex, take a moment. That is so expensive. 4 pound.
£2.
2 pound each. She gonna kick it to you. So get a pork belly. Yeah. Also a diced beef. That one?
Which one? That one.
And then diced beef. Where is their diced beef? To. Whichever, it's
Which
fine.
one do you want?
What is that? Flavored
We
pork.
could try that one if you want.
Yeah, 268. I'm struggling with that little one. It's so heavy. I'll do it. Where's your bags? I'll go and do it.
After. It's easier.
Can you scan with that little one?
You can scan it.
Nakatulog na guys, ang ating baby. So bumalik guys si Mr. sa loob ng Morrison kasi yung clip na aking kinuha, yung tong na stainless. Kumuha kasi ako noon, 2 pound yung isa. Gagamitin ko siya pag nagawa ng leche plan. Eh hindi namin nakita sa gilid nitong baby car seat, sa gilid ng baby car seat tsaka ng cart. So hindi namin napansin, ngayon lang napansin. Kaya bumalik si Mr. at binayaran. 2 pound lang naman yon. Tsaka isang item lang yung ating na-miss. Ang lamig. Sabi ko kay Mr. Dito na lang kami sa loob ng car mag-aantay. Hindi na ako sumama sa loob. At ating baby ay nakatulog na siya. Napagod din. Iyak-iyak kanina kaya hindi ako nakapag-video ng buo. Karga-karga ko. Napakabigat na. Nahuhulog na siya pag karga ko.
When I went to pay for the tongs, they were there.
Oh, they're already there. Someone did not took it?
Someone didn't take them.
Someone don't want it. We're home, guys. Nakatulog na talaga ang ating baby. Tulog pa rin siya. So, ito yung ito yung nakalimutan namin. Hindi naman nakalimutan. Ito yung na-miss ni Mister. Hindi niya nakita. Pag angat daw ng baby car seat, isa kaya lang nakita sa ilalim. Tumaos-os. Sa pinakagilid-gilid. Kabili na naman tayo ng plants, guys. Walang magawa si Mister. Bili tayo ng plants. Ito ay indoor spider plant. Maganda daw kasi to during winter. Kasi na-absorb na yung ating moist humidity sa loob ng bahay. So, ayan. Hindi ko muna siya ililipat. Hayaan muna natin ito dito sa pots ng mga ibang days. Ito pa nahubad akin ko. Saan lang yan siya? Ah! You were awake! Ang tagal ni Mr. guys. Inaayos pa ata ang van at car. Nagpapalit pa ata ng parking space. Nakabili na din ako sa wakas ng ating anong tawag doon? Measuring cups. Kasi wala akong measuring cups. Medyo mahal-mahal na siya kahit sa online. Hello, little one. Tayo mag-shopping haul na guys. Ang binayaran ni Mr. Lahat-lahat is 86.54. Nakapag-save siya ng 3.35 kasi may card siya doon sa Morrison. So, ito ang kaniyang bread. Hobie's bread is 150. So, yung ganito guys, kalaki na bread ni Mr. is 150. Ito guys, kumuha ulit tayo nito. 150 to. Hello, pretty! Dito ang ating baby sa baba. And then, ang kanilang eggs. Let's see the eggs. Ito, ang eggs ay 2.65 pounds for 12 pieces. Ay! May basag. Lutuin natin yung basag. Naipit siguro. And then, tissue. Ito ang pinapupunas ko sa aking face is 4 pound, 2 pound each. What is this bread? 4 white bops. Ang tawag sa atin dito ay bun. Sa kanila, bops. So, the bread is 0.80 pound each. How much their milk? Yes. 2 skim milk, 145. Is it the same at Aldi, the price? And 12.50 milk. What is that? This is 150. And this is also 150. This is also 150. Is it good even though it's it's plastic?
It's only potato. If it breaks, you buy another one.
Ito guys, mura. Sana maganda. May paribon pa si Nutmeg. Autumn Flora placemat. Kano ang kanyang placemat? Yung coaster is 1.25. Parang ito ay 250. Sa ano parang 5 pound to. So, yan. Nating condense, dalawa. And then, brand siya ng Morrison. Dalawa. Then, ang ating cookies ay 2 pound. Kanyang panglinis ng bottle. Sun Care. So, 135 pala to. Medyo mahal din. 450 ml. Panghugas ng bottles. So, nutmeg coaster 125. Ito yun guys. There na sila. Ang ganda. Nagandahan ako. Para madaling punasan. And then, itong ating brush, 80p. It's Panglilinis ko ng bowl. Cauliflower. How much the cauliflower? Ating cauliflower ay 1.19. So, mukha namang maganda. Yan ang itsura. Parang siyang fresh. Ito, Sabers green beans. So, green beans is 70 guys. 80 grams. Eggplant. Lantutay na ang eggplant pala. So, 95p. Corn. Where is the corn? So, ang corn, guys, ay 150. 150 pala to. Then, ang grapes ni Mr. ay 2.95. Ito ang grapes. Dalawang klase na siya. 80 grams. So, ayan. Ito ay 5 pounds. Kanyang ham. Para sa kanyang sandwich. Then, ang banana ay, how much the banana? How much the banana? 79p. 5 pieces. And this pork ribs is 2.73 how many grams? 390 grams. They look fresh, oh. Isn't it? They look fresh. Where are you gonna cook that? In the oven? It says?
It says oven, but we can boil it just the same. Well, it's
5 pound.
It's only 750 grams.
And then 5 pound.
Yeah.
The Sainsbury's is how much? This is 10 pound. 3 pieces.
Sainsbury's is £4 and 1 kilo.
Oh. Maybe that's nicer.
That's what I'm going to find out.
Garlic. How much the garlic?
No, you can't eat that. She's eating a spam.
Hi! Look, I thought I fastened
You
you.
did, I just undid it because I was going to
Okay.
get it out. Because I want to cuddle. Yes. Come on, madam.
Because you can't leave her without that because she's lifting her bottom.
Looking at
Nakita. Lifting. How much the garlic? I can't see it. Garlic. Garlic is 95 pound for 4 pieces. Magkano kaya yun sa peso? Check natin mamaya. Convert. So, meron tayong pork belly marinated. 4 slices. To 2.93. Ito ay 396 grams. Parang ano siya. Bigat. Kulang-kulang half kilo. Kasi ito ating diced beef. Ano yung diced beef ni Mr.? So, ang diced beef, guys, ay 8.75. Parang medyo namahalan ako. Ito ay 750 grams, 3/4 halos. And then, the last pork is 2.81. So, yan. That's it. You saved 350 pound. 3.50 pound. Is she smelly? No? I check it already. Already. Smiling. Already. It's still there in the washing machine. So, all we got.
Daddy is being naughty. And Mama's going to get angry with Daddy for being naughty.
I like this because it's only 1.50. And it's 7 pieces. Yeah, 7 pieces. Placemat. I like the placemat. You'll easy to wipe. You broke it.
You are.
I did, oh.
Yeah.
Ay, wrong.
I knew you had to do it.
Ay, putres ka. I'm gonna break it. Haven't used it yet. Ayusin ko lang itong ating mga pinamili. Wala naman na tayong dapat freeze. Yun na lang, beef. Ingay ng ating washing machine, guys. Hindi pa rin siya tapos. Ako'y cute na cute dito sa ating placemat na to. Itong mister pa. So guys, Sunday night ngayon, kaya gagawa tayo ng baon ni Mr. for tomorrow sa office. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung anong binabaon niya. Kasi ako ang gumagawa nun. Pero minsan siya ang hinahayaan akong gumawa. So dahil tulog na ang ating baby guys, ay pwede tayong makapagawa ng baon ni Mr. So ito yung kanyang ham guys na nilalagay namin sa kanyang sandwich. So pinakuluan niya. Ay hindi pala ito pakulo ngayon. Ito pala ay, bakit dalawa lang yung in-slice niya? So ito ay ngayon niluto niya sa air fryer. Pero usually, siya ay sa stove nagluluto nan. Pinapakuluan. Apakalamig guys. Ako'y nilalamig. So hugasan muna natin itong maghugas muna tayo ng grapes at saka kamatis. Pati na rin ng lettuce. Kasi nagbabaon siya ng grapes and the apple na fruits. Tapos, ang kanyang sandwich, nilalagyan ko naman ng tomatoes and lettuce. Pero minsan, mas gusto niyang, nung nakaraan pala, ang nilagay niya, siya kasi ang nagawa. Pag ang baby namin ay hindi nagpapababa, medyo nagliligalig. Yan, siya na yung gumagawa. Hinuunahan niya na. So, hugasan din natin yung apple. Para sabay-sabay na. Sana'y matamis ang kanyang grapes. Minsan napaka-asim guys ng grapes na nabibili sa supermarket. Tapos, lettuce. Konting lettuce lang naman ang gusto niya sa kanyang sandwich. Pag hinuhugasan ko ang lettuce niya, kasi minsan parang lasang lupa. Kala mo nakatikim na ng lupa, no? Parang lasang alikabok. Minsan. So, ilalagay natin ito sa ref. Ang kanyang ham na pinambabaon. Parang 1 degree sa labas. Kaya nag-on ang boiler. Tapos nagta-turn on ang ating mga radiator, mga heater. Yan. Tapos na. Tapos lalagay ko to sa fridge. Kukunin niya na lang to sa morning bago siya pupasok. Ano yung baon niya ng lunch. So, ang biscuit guys, nagbabaon din siya. So, ito ating nilalagay. So, kahit may KitKat dito, tsaka itong Twix, hindi siya nagbabaon yan. Ito lang lagi ang binabaon niya. Pero nakain din siya ng ibang biscuit dyan. Ito ko ilalagay. After. Tsaka, dalawa nito. Parang bata, ano. May biscuit din. So, balik natin po dito sa Tupperware para sealed. So, yan guys, ang baon niya, 2 Otis, tsaka isang caramel wafer. Parang bata din. Nagbabaon din ng biscuit. Tsaka yan, apple. So, kukunin niya na lang yan din bukas. Yan lang. So, mag-aayos na ako ng feeding bottle ng ating baby. So, yun lang muna guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching sa lahat-lahat ng nanonood. Pati na rin sa aking mga bagong subscriber guys. Thank you so much sa inyong pag-subscribe.